demolished and nobody on their camera to say anything. The people that are now talking never said anything, never even heard their voice, made a post to stop whatever thing that was going on. My kinsmen were crying, making one video, from one video to another video. The bloggers were not carrying the video. The content creators were not talking about it. Everybody was against them. My people, I want to tell you, it is high time you guys stop making Igbos a scapegoat in this country. Mr. President is doing well. Very soon you say that Igbos didn't vote for Mr. President. We are going to vote for Mr. President this time around. After all, last election we didn't vote for Mr. President and he became president. So why do you not feel that even if we don't vote for Mr. President and he's not going to become president? He's going to become president. So really here doesn't matter. So even if we vote for Mr. President, he's still going to become president. And if you don't vote for him, he's still going to become president. So stop making Igbos look like a scapegoat. All you want to do now is finally, if Mr. President becomes Mr. President, everybody will now see us as hate tribe, Abi. Say we hate Mr. President and we hate the leading party and the current administration. Abi, see, if you bath, go that place where you bath, go collect your clothes too. Go that place where you bath, go collect your clothes. We are a peaceful tribe. All we want to do is to do our business. And again, we are asking Mr. President for a favor so that he can release our brothers who are being locked up in different cells in this country, in different prisons in this country. And no come spoil our, put sansan for our gario. That is the only thing you can do for us. Even our senior brother, where they dear. Biko, if you see this video, Mr. President, sir, help and release our brother.
Ifeanyi Shuku, aka Anyi Don. So no onye lizi ego Oliakọ n'uche. Ha! Ọkwụrụ na-ebido uwe ebido. Anya kpọ ọnya mmadụ. Onye afụ ha n'ego ewelego menyin ties. So no Obi Kubana azụgo mkpụrụ obi gị nwezighị conscience again. Now you are playing smart game, you are playing. Ka ndị Igbo wee gọzie ndị eriri last. All these points you make here now, it will make her sense. But because you want to shop that money and claim mouth, you don't want to be enemy of Obi Kubana and other people. Because able boy, yeah, that's why is your color now. Now yeti. If you know Nyendo Namdekano, and I told you by Afa because gene na ha na Abuja na ikpo anya Afa. Not against the law, but I'm getting terrorists. Not one anger. You must mind the boy your brother. And I was again, even senior brother, opposing your father.